we're back once again. Wasn't that big of a deal. COVID-wise, I'm healthy. Got a little bit more in my throat yet, but we're 100% better than what we were in the last video. So we got a couple other things I want to finish up on the trailer before we take it out on its maiden voyage. Namely, rub points here, which I don't think it'll be a problem now because we're just going to get lumber with the trailer. But while we're in here, might as well just get it done. So this is my concern here now. I mean, there's like an inch of play here, but we'll be on the safe side. These bolts got me a little concerned. So I've got a new set, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them around. Where the head of the bolt is on this side, and the threaded side will be on the other side where we don't have to worry about. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and we got to cut clearance in both sides of the trailer. And that is about the only thing I've got worried about, the trailer traveling down the road being a problem. We've got to do safety chains, so I might just repurpose these chains. This is the original chain I got for the engine lift for when I did the 12 valve conversion. It broke. So I bought this chain to finish up the conversion. And I think I'm just gonna cut these links and then weld them onto the neck right here. You guys can even see, it's pretty dark over here. And I'll just weld a link down here and call it done. Easy enough. We're not gonna, they're just kind of a suggestion anyway. Safety chains are good to have, obviously, so we'll have them. So yeah, that's all we got to do, and then we're ready for the maiden voyage. Trailer brakes work. Use recorder. This is what we're working with. Let's see if we can bust this nut, baby. Usually I don't have a problem busting a nut. Got some love, ain't been good. Easy as that. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Now, chasing this bolt out might be a problem, though. And you may not know it, this may look like a flathead screwdriver, but it's actually a punch. Watch. Well, just came out with a little bit of a fight. But pushing in there looks pretty good. So I ain't gonna worry about it. This shit looks fine. So I'm just gonna replace the bolt, flip it this way. That way it'll clearance the tire thingamajiggy. There we go. Damn light pole wasn't stable enough. Man, YouTubing is hard, and I do a shitty job of it. So we clearance the bolts. We just clearance the bolts, and now what we got to do is clearance the travel of the tires once everything's sitting. If there's a load on there, because this part of the deck I'm going to put and drive over like steel plate. But so let's clear all this shit out and do that. I'm proud of that. Okay, let's spritz this with paint and remount our tires. We'll move on to the other side. I'm an artist. Overspray is a good thing. Okay. Might as well hit under here too. While we're here. Come on, I know how to thread things. Trust me. Fuck. What the hell, man? Oh, wrong size. Ah. All right, everything's clearanced. Very nice, very nice. I think we'll be set on this side at least. If we ever get so loaded that we might be hitting a fender here, but I highly doubt it. It's fucking right there. It's got to travel quite a ways. But if that is a problem down the road, we'll just have to trim that. Hopefully that won't happen. No, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. You guys just watch what I'm doing. Then we're gonna move on to something else. Okay, so I'm back to putting everything together. Everything's cut on this side. And one of my tires, $500 set, it's already flat. What the hell? And I checked over the tread. There's nothing wrong with the tread. No, there's nothing in there. These tires have moved back and forth out of the shop maybe, I don't know, 4 times. And this one's already flat. All the other ones are fine. It's this one. So I got a valve stem kit, and we're just gonna swap out the valve stems and hope maybe that's the problem. I want to get like a plug kit for the trailer. I might throw it in the toolbox. It could be handy. I had one of these things, but I don't know what the hell happened to it. See what the new one looks like, rather. The old one. Wording is hard. Howdy. Stay away from the plague. I'm poor. I'm fine. Bobby's still technically quarantined, even though she was negative. So. Well, here's the stem. Visually, it doesn't look messed up. don't see any weirdness, but let's just put another one in. Just because. Eliminate that as a possible, oh God, possible problem. I hope I don't have to slime this. I'm gonna take it to a tire shop. I'm not gonna just fuck up these nice tires. Okay. Okay. It's done. I painted up the inside of here, so everything should be fine. Oh my God, there's no light. But anyway, that's all done. So now what we're working on, safety chains. I gotta figure out a way to mount these. I should go right here, drill a hole through and bolt it. That's what I'm gonna do. Seems like a better option. So yeah, I'm just gonna drill a hole and bolt it down. Fuck it. So the safety chains are done. Easy, just drill some holes and bolted them in. And painted them. I don't know how long the paint will last, but that's what I did. So now I'm trying to rig together a license plate. Some sort of bracket. I got this cool LED light from a friend. I'll put that there. And I fixed this just with the top 2 bolts. Nothing fancy right now. Alright boys, it's been a total thrash. We got everything done. Everything I think is wired in. It's been like a 12-hour day in the shop, man. It sucks. So we got the license plate kind of figured out. What I did, just straight up just welded that sub plate you saw. And then used Nylox. And then just an LED light. So that should be legal. And let's back the truck up and see if everything works. All the wiring. It should work, but we'll see. So let's do that. Oh, look at that. She's lit up like a Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and bright. LED. See the pulse? I don't know if it picks up on the camera. I've got something coming to fix that. There it is. It's wired up. It's done. It's ready to hit the road. Next video, hopefully, should be getting the deck. And that'll be the maiden voyage. So that'll be fun. Do you guys realize this has been like a year and a half in the making, and I'm lazy and I'm sorry, but let's finish it up. We'll call it a day because it's been a long day. Everything's wired up. Everything works good. I'm cold. It's like 20 degrees out. Anyway, I really appreciate all the comments, all the likes, all the views. It's awesome, guys. So comment, rate, subscribe. You know this shtick. I don't have to talk to you about it. But I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully in a day or two, we're going on and get some putting decking in. We're gonna get a project. So we'll see. We'll see what we can find. Hopefully 2021 is a little more fortunate to us, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, Midwest Moose signing off. Yeah. Bye.